Picture this. $1 million Patriot missile soaring through the sky to take down a drone that costs less than a used car. That's been the reality in Ukraine. An expensive, unsustainable game of whack-a-mole against waves of cheap Iranian-made Shahed drones. But Ukraine, out of sheer necessity, has flipped the script. They've developed their own drone interceptors, and these things are game changers. Meet the homegrown heroes, Paysin among the common people, Cock, a nimble quadcopter, Skyfall, a fixed-wing hunter, and Octopus, a powerful hexacopter. These aren't just concepts, they're in the field, creating a layered defense system. They're fast, they're precise, and most importantly, they're cheap. One successful hunt can cost as little as a few $1,000s. The results are stunning. We're talking shoot-down rates climbing past 85% in some areas. And the irony? The US is now reportedly asking Ukraine for this very technology. Remember that infamous Fox News segment mocking Ukraine's potatoes and shovels defense? Well, who's laughing now? Ukraine gets more Patriot systems to protect its cities, and in return, its allies get access to these revolutionary battle-tested drone killers. This isn't just about Ukraine's survival anymore. It's about a fundamental shift in modern warfare, pioneered on the front lines. Ukraine's innovation could soon be protecting skies all over the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more.